How much should you actually spend on Ar15 iron sights? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1: Ar15 Fiber Optic Iron Sights. First up, we've got the Ar15 Fiber Optic Iron Sights. Priced at $31.99, these are a bestseller. And honestly, what caught my attention was the vibrant red and green dots which make aiming a breeze. If you want clear visibility in various lighting conditions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The fiber optic technology allows for quick target acquisition, whether you're in bright sunlight or low light. Plus, the flip-up design means these sights won't obstruct your view when you're not using them. With over 1,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that people love them. The tool-free adjustments for windage and elevation are a game changer, letting you personalize your setup without needing extra tools. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky initially. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance really shines, and for most users, that initial hurdle isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for reliable backup sights that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra high-end, but for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the initial setup on the Ar15 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Ar15 45-degree offset iron sights. Next up is the Ar15 45-degree offset iron sights, priced at $26.15. The first thing that strikes you is how compact they are, allowing for a less obstructed view. If you're looking for quick transitions between sights, this one's worth a serious look. These offset sights let you easily switch from your main optic to iron sights without losing your target. The low profile means they don't take up too much space on your rail, and that's critical for keeping your setup streamlined. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, many users find that the red and green fiber optics make a significant difference in visibility. The easy activation with a button is a nice touch, ensuring you're ready to shoot in no time. However, some users mentioned that they wished they were a bit sturdier, especially in heavy-use scenarios. But here's why it's still worth considering. For most casual shooters, these sights hold up well and provide excellent functionality without the hefty price tag. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable backup sight that's easy to use. Skip this if you need something for extreme tactical use, but for regular shooting, it's a great option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want lightweight performance. Product number 3: UUQ 45-degree offset fiber optic iron sights. Moving on, we have the UUQ 45-degree offset fiber optic iron sights at $25.99. These are really light and slim, which caught my eye right away. If you're after something that won't add bulk, this is definitely worth a serious look. What's great about these sights is the high-definition fiber optic technology, making it super easy to aim in various lighting. They also feature a quick flip-up design that locks into place, ensuring they're ready to go when you need them. With a 4.4-star rating from 675 reviews, users love how quickly they can transition between shooting styles. And they're compatible with both Picatinny and Weaver rails, so versatility is key here. People have mentioned that the instructions could be clearer, which might frustrate some first-time users. But honestly, once you figure it out, they perform excellently and are lightweight enough to make them a go-to for many users. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something compact and user-friendly. Skip this one if you prefer heavier-duty options, but for a lightweight choice, these are fantastic. Now, if you want something a bit sturdier, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4: OZARK Armament Flip-Up Iron Sights. Next on the list are the OZARK Armament Flip-Up Iron Sights, which retail for $29.99. Right off the bat, the durable aluminum construction grabbed my attention. If you want something built to last, this is worth a serious look. These sights are designed for functionality and practicality, providing a perfect co-witness with low-profile optics. Fully adjustable for windage and elevation, they're super easy to tweak on the fly using sturdy dials. With over 4,800 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, these sites are clearly trusted by many. The fact that they fold down until needed means they won't get in the way when you're not using them. On the downside, some users reported that the adjustment dials can be a bit stiff. But here's the thing, once you get them set up, they stay in place, which is more important for maintaining accuracy. This is perfect for you if you're looking for durable, reliable sites that can withstand heavy use. Skip this one if you need something more compact, but for the price and durability, they're a smart investment. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, the next product I have may be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, GVN Flip-Up Battle Iron Sights. Last but not least, we've got the GVN Flip-Up Battle Iron Sights priced at just $14.99. Honestly, you might not expect much at this price, but they really surprised me. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, this one's worth a serious look. The impact-resistant polymer construction means they're lightweight yet durable, making them great for backup sights. They clamp easily to any Picatinny rail, and the adjustable elevation and windage are really handy features for quick target acquisition. With a 4.1-star rating from 1,400 reviews, many users appreciate their ease of installation and functionality, especially given the price. However, some users noted that the polymer may not be as sturdy as aluminum alternatives. But here's the thing, for the average shooter, they offer excellent performance at an unbeatable price point, which makes them a great choice for those just starting out. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable sights. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty iron sights, but for everyday use, you really can't beat the value. So there you have it. We covered the Visiophier Fiber Optic, the Visiophier 45-degree offset, UUQ 45-degree offset, OZARK armament, and GVN flip-up sights. Each one has its unique strengths, from budget-friendly options to durable choices. No matter your needs, there's something here for everyone.